Hello, this is Edward Ojambo, the webmaster for Ojamboshop.com. Ojambo.com has a great article on installing an e-commerce software application on a server. ZenCart is free, open source, and comes with everything needed to start selling immediately. Free contributions are available to download from the ZenCart site. The link is www.ojambo.com/install-zen-cart-e-commerce. You can also visit www.ojamboshop.com for templates for WordPress, ZenCart, and other popular content management systems. In order to follow along with this tutorial, the following tools are required: Unzip to decompress the downloaded file, text editor for creating and modifying configuration files, MySQL database server, web server, PHP, FTP, SSH, or file manager to upload and modify permissions for files, knowledge of the files to be served. I'll be running an Apache web server locally and will be using Terminal Shell for editing with Firefox to view the output. In this tutorial, a graphical way will be shown as an alternative to command line. So, first thing is you go to the ZenCart site, click the download button, and save the file in the downloads folder. Then you extract here graphically. You can also extract the file from the command line. All you do is type in unzip and the name of the file. Pretty simple. Now we're going to create a database from phpMyAdmin. Username will be ZenCart. The host will be a local host, and the password will be ZenCartPW. Now retype ZenCartPW. I'll create a database with the same name and grant all privileges. We can also create a MySQL database from the command line. In MySQL, you type in create database ZenCart. Then you can, in one line, grant all on ZenCart.star to ZenCart at localhost. Exit. Then we'll move the ZenCart folder to our web server, and then we'll go to localhost, the ZenCart install. From here, the instructions, we can right-click and open them up in a new tab so we can follow them. Just read first. For now, I'm just going to click the install link and then read the welcome screen and click continue. Then agree to the GPL license, which will bring up the system inspection screen. See, there's some errors here, no problems found, which are in the install instructions. Basically, all they are just permissions for some folders, and you need to create config PHP file, both in includes and in your admin includes folder. Right there, this information is also in the install ZenCart e-commerce article on Ojambo.com. You can just copy and paste if you're doing it from the command line. Okay, so first thing we'll do, I'll enter the ZenCart folder. So you CD ZenCart, or whatever the name is. The next thing is I'll create the config PHP file. It's pretty easy. All you do is just rename the dist-config PHP file. There's one in includes folder and one in the admin includes folder as well. And next, we need to rename some folders. We need to rename the cache. Not rename. We need to change the permissions to make it read, write, and execute. for the cache folder, pub, images, media, includes languages, English, and backups, and admin images graphs. That's it. Now we recheck, and everything is okay. Yes, no more errors, no problems. So now click install. I'll come to database information. Type in ZenCart, it's localhost. Our username is also ZenCart. Our database username is password was ZenCartPW. And we click on Save Database Settings. We're not changing anything else. Just a few seconds to install it. Now when we go to the system setup, we'll leave everything here as default. Save. I'll come up to the store setup. We're going to call this one Ojambo Shop. The store owner will be ojambo.com. Store owner email will be sales@ojambo.com. I'm going to pick Canada. Zone will be Ontario province. And we're going to use the Canadian dollar. And yes, we're going to say yes to the store demo. Then we'll click on Save Store Settings. Then it'll bring up the administrator setup screen, where we'll type in admin as our username for the administrator. The password, we'll type it in, and then we'll have to type it in again to confirm the administrator's password. Then administrator's email will just be sales@ojambo.com. Then save admin settings. So now we're finished, and we're going to click to go to the store. Now there's two errors on the top which we'll fix. Basically, we need to remove the ZenCart folder and rename the admin folder. Again, we'll do them from the command line. So change mode, we use 644, read only for the includes config PHP, and we rename the admin folder to my admin. Then we will use nano to edit the my admin /includes/config PHP. Just find all instances of admin and rename them to my admin. That's our new folder. So next time when we need to go to admin, instead of just typing admin, we'll just type my admin. So now we save it. And we'll go back to refresh the page. No more error, everything is fine. Now, the process of installing a fully functioning ZenCart e-commerce solution is easy. You can install ZenCart graphically or by using the command line. Templates and support can be purchased at ojamboshop.com. I hope you find this information useful. Please visit ojambo.com and leave feedback.